Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Accent check engine light. First, locate the check engine light on your dashboard. Before starting, make sure your Hyundai Accent is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is completely off. You will need a few basic tools, such as a 10mm wrench or a pair of pliers, to complete this simple process. This method is quick and effective for many common issues. Now, open your car's hood and find the battery. You'll see two terminals, one positive and one negative. The negative terminal is usually marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Once loose, carefully pull the negative cable off the battery post. This step temporarily cuts power to the car's computer. After disconnecting the negative terminal, wait for at least 15 minutes. This waiting period allows the car's computer, or ECU, to fully reset and clear any stored error codes. Once the time has passed, reattach the negative battery cable to its post. Make sure it's snug and then tighten the nut firmly with your wrench. Now, start your Hyundai Accent and observe the dashboard to see if the check engine light has turned off. While this reset method is effective, it's important to address the underlying cause if the light reappears. Common reasons include a loose gas cap, which is an easy fix, or a faulty oxygen sensor. Issues with spark plugs or ignition coils can also trigger the light. If the light returns, consider having your vehicle diagnosed by a professional. Also, check the description for a link to these amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.